Howdy folks, welcome back to JK Catering. Today we're going to make a turkey club sandwich. What is a turkey club? Well, a turkey club is what is known for a club sandwich, also called a clubhouse sandwich. The bread is traditionally toasted with sliced cooked poultry or ham with bacon, tomato, and mayonnaise, and cut into halves or quarters and held together by cocktail sticks. So let's go into the kitchen and make ourselves a turkey club. Welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to make the turkey clubs. When you order turkey clubs in a restaurant, they're usually about 2 pieces of bread, some lunch meat, tomatoes, onions, whatever you want onto it. Today we're going to make the turkey club 3 pieces of bread with meat, lettuce, tomatoes, bacon, and mayonnaise. They're about 4.5 to 5 inches thick, which is a real hearty meal. If you're really hungry, this sandwich is for you. What we're going to start with today is cooking the bacon. That's the main ingredient of the dish. We're going to go over the stove and put a couple of slices of bacon in and get them cooking. Okay, we already greased our pan. We're going to add some bacon to it. Pan's nice and hot. You can hear it sizzling. Depends on how many bacon you want, what you put in. I'm doing about 4. It only requires 2 per sandwich. Get them cooking a little bit here. It won't take that long on top of the stove. And we're going to give it extra flavor. We're going to put Smokehouse Maple by McCormick on the bacon. We've done this in the past with our bacon. It gives it a real good flavor. And it makes the house smell real good too. We'll get it cooking. You might have to drain some grease off the bacon. This bacon is really fatty and it holds a lot of grease. Bacon's coming along real good. While the bacon's almost done, we're going to go over to the toaster and put some toast in. Now the toast is getting ready to cook there. Our bacon should be about done. We're going to go back over, take it off, and get it drained off. To help get some of that grease off of here. One thing you don't want is a greasy sandwich. You can cook the bacon as long as you want. If you want to cook it though it's crispy or light crisp, you can do that too. Now we're going to go back over here and finish our toast off while the bacon's draining. There's 2 of our toasts. We need 1 more. While that one's doing that, we can finish these off here. What you want to do is take some mayonnaise, any kind of mayonnaise you want. You're going to put mayonnaise on the toast. Put a lot, you put a little on it. On both sides. We're going to take some turkey. You can use any kind of turkey meat you want. One itself. It's got a little flavor to it. I usually put about 4, maybe 5 slices of turkey on the bottom layer. Then a little bit of lettuce. Take an onion. You don't want no onions, you don't have to put no onions on it. Get a slice of an onion. Put a little bit of onions on it. And we're going to do a tomato. If you don't like tomatoes, you don't have to put tomatoes on it. My wife, she loves tomatoes. Okay, now we're going to do bacon. The bacon's pretty well drained. Let's get some room here. Not much of a workspace. I'm going to take the bacon, break it in half. It's usually about 1.5 slices, the 2 slices. Depends on how much bacon you want on there. But I think 2 slices is pretty good. Then we're going to take a piece of cheese. You can use pepper jack cheese, Swiss cheese, American cheese, mozzarella, Parmesan. There's no specific cheese. Then we're going to put the top layer on. And then we're going to get the other piece of bread. We're going to do the same thing with that. We're going to put mayonnaise on the top of that one. And then we're going to dress this one up. We're going to put some lettuce. Some onions. You don't have to go in the same order. Slice of tomato. You got some lunch meat. And then your bacon. And then your top. Now depends on how you're going to slice this. Put some skewers in it. If you're going to cut it in half, you only need a half on each side. But make sure you got some skewers that are long enough. The sandwich is about 5 inches. Get this skewer. Put them in the corners. And depends on how, like I said, how you want to slice it. It's how you put your skewers in. Just go ahead and slice the sandwich whichever way you like it. I like mine cut directly in half. And there's the turkey clubs. Like I said, about 5 inches. Turn around here so you can see it. This one's about 4.5. So you need a pretty good tall skewer for that. Let's put this on a plate. Make a little bit of room here. Skewer, try getting out. And there's your turkey clubs. A little bit of fries with this. Be an excellent meal for a hungry man. If you want to see more recipes like this, hit like, share with your friends and family, and subscribe and hit the notification button to get more notifications when more videos come out. Again, thank you for watching J&K Catering. Have a good day.